Does skincare really expire or marketing lang yan? Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of DERM Talk. And whether it's about dermatology or sharing a piece of my personal world, I'm here to bring authenticity and knowledge straight to you. So meron akong tanong sa inyo guys. Ilan sa inyo yung hindi nag-check ng expiration dates sa mga products na ginagamit nyo? Importanteng pag-usapan to guys kasi imagine you're spending money, bumili ka ng skincare products in the hopes of improving how your skin looks and treating some minor conditions. Tapos yung pala yung ginagamit mo, expired na, baka hindi na effective, and worse, baka maka-harm pa sa skin mo. And actually, meron na akong ginawang video about expiration dates. I think it was about mga 3 years ago, but I'm making another one because there are new updates and there are things that we want to add, especially concerning not just guidelines in the Philippines, but guidelines around the world because I know that a lot of us purchase skincare products not only here, but also when we travel. So sit back guys, relax, and enjoy this video on expiration dates. First question, Doc, why do skincare products expire? So remember that your skincare products contain active ingredients, preservatives, etc. And all of these things degrade over time. So when product manufacturers make expiration dates, this will guarantee that up to that point in time, safe and effective yung products na gagamitin mo. For skincare products in particular, meron tayong dalawang hinahanap dito. Yung una is the expiration date, and the second is the period after opening or the PAO. Expiration date is yung nakatatak sa product mo that contains either month and year or sometimes very specific sila, may month, day, and year. Ang ibig sabihin nito, habang hindi mo pa binubuksan yung produkto, the product is guaranteed safe and effective up to that date. Okay? What the PAO means naman or the period after opening, ito yung makikita mo na parang may label ng parang jar. Tapos may nakalagay na number na may letter M na katabi. For example, 6M, 12M. It means that after opening the product, it is recommended to fully consume it before 6 months kung 6M or 12 months kung 12M. Pero, many of us do not pay attention to the PAO. Aminin, meron dyan sa inyo, may mga serums na binili nyo pa nung pandemic tapos ginagamit nyo pa rin. Okay, sa totoo lang guys, marami na ako nagamit na expired products. And more often than not, wala naman nangyayari. But, what if you're that one patient na nag-react severely to an expired product with an active ingredient that's irritating? Ang mangyayari niyan, mas magagastusan ka pa. And guys, it's your face. You don't want anything bad to happen to your face. 'Di ba? Kaya nga usually, pag meron ako mga expired products, ginagamit ko muna dun sa mga body parts na hindi masyadong exposed kasi sayang din naman siya. And did you know that different countries or territories have different rules with regards to expiration date? In Europe, for example, it is required to have PAO. So pag nag-produce ka ng product, kailangan ilagay mo doon yung period after opening. And if you have a product that is sure to expire within 30 months, importante din na ilagay mo doon yung expiration date. It's different naman in the US. Expiration dates are required only if your products contain active ingredients like sunscreens, vitamin C, or maybe retinol. But if not, for example, for moisturizers or cleansers, nasa discretion ng manufacturer kung ilalagay nila yung expiration dates. When it comes to Asia naman, including the Philippines, specifically yung mga Japanese and Korean products, they actually take it a step further by putting the manufacturing date beside the expiration date. Pero yun nga lang, sometimes in the Philippines, kahit na required ito ng FDA, minsan hindi siya nasusunod. But here in the Philippines, even if it's required by the FDA, minsan hindi siya nasusunod or hindi maganda yung implementation. Kaya as a consumer, we have to be vigilant in checking kung kailan man yung expiration dates and to ensure that we buy products from trusted sources. But what if hindi mo na alam kung kailan yung expiration date? Natapon mo yung box, nabura mo or natanggal mo yung stickers, don't worry, there are guidelines on how to know kung kailan mo dapat itapon na yung product mo or pwede mo pang gamitin. Number 1, check the product color. Kung binili mo siya tapos medyo white siya, tapos ngayon medyo yellowish to brown na siya, that's kind of a clear sign na hindi na siya like the original form. Pangalawa is texture and consistency. So, kung creamy siya dapat, tapos ngayon parang naghihiwalay-hiwalay na siya, nagiging na siyang oil and water, ibig sabihin, hindi na din maganda yung pagka-emulsify niya and it's probably not going to be effective anymore. Third is the smell. So, a lot of skincare products actually incorporate fragrances in them. So, these fragrances also degrade over time. So, pag inamoy mo yung skincare products mo, tapos parang iba na yung smell niya, sabi nga nila, funky smell, whether it has fragrance or not, then it could also mean that it's time to discard them. And of course, number 4, observe your skin. Sometimes your products might look okay pa rin, but when you apply them on your skin and you feel irritated, red, or whatever it is that you never felt before, then maybe it's time to stop using that product altogether. Pero ito, real talk tayo. This question is something that I get all the time. Doc, paano naman yung skincare product ko? Expired na pala, ang mahal-mahal pa. Pwede ko pa ba siyang gamitin? Super gets ko yan, guys. Kasi, let's admit it, skincare products, especially the good ones with active ingredients, don't come cheap. Tapos, na-expire lang. Pero sa totoo lang, may reason kasi for minding the expiration dates. Remember, these products contain active ingredients. So, for example, pag-usapan natin vitamin C, especially the L-ascorbic acid. It's easily oxidized, it can easily be degraded, and it can be irritating. So, for example, bumili ka ng serum, pagkamahal-mahal, and then nakalimutan mo siyang gamitin, after 3 months, it's brown na. And then you start applying it on your skin. Buti sana if wala na siyang effect. But what will happen if na-irritate ka and it actually makes your skin worse? Other than wasting your money on the skincare product, baka mas magastusan ka pa treating the irritated skin that you can get from using the expired L-ascorbic acid serum. You can actually compare skincare products to medicines. For example, meron kang sakit, tapos gumamit ka ng expired medication. Buti sana kung wala lang siyang effect. Paano kung magkaroon ka pa ng drug reaction or other side effects coming from it? So, ito na, sasagutin ko na yung tanong nyo. Pwede pa rin bang gamitin yung products kahit expired na? To be honest, guys, and hindi ako magmamalinis, I've used a lot of products beyond their expiry dates. Especially simpler products like cleansers and moisturizers. Minsan lang sinasabi ko, siguro, wag na lang natin gamitin sa face or any body part that you don't wanna risk getting an infection or irritation. For example, meron akong cleanser for the face na expired na, I can use it as a body wash. Or meron akong face cream na expired na, I can probably use it as a body lotion. Pwede naman yun. But, usually, I don't use products beyond 3 to 6 months of their expiration date. Kasi nga, like I said, the reason for expiration dates is that the company manufacturer guarantees the safety and efficacy of that product within that date. After that, they cannot guarantee anymore. Not to mention how you handle and store your products, which leads me to my next point. Number 1, as much as possible, try to keep your skincare products in an open, airy space. Huwag dun sa parang kulob. So, hindi ko talaga nire-recommend na ilagay nyo siya sa isang closed box or closed cabinet kasi magiging prone siya to develop mold and mildew. Second point, always keep and store your skincare products in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Kasama na dito yung iniiwan natin minsan sa sasakyan, di ba? Pag dinadala natin to travel, tapos naiiwan natin doon, no yan in skincare. Number 3, make sure that your hands are clean, or better yet, use a spatula when scooping up products from a jar to prevent contamination. And lastly, siguraduhin nyo that your products are properly sealed kasi the more exposed they are to air and sunlight, mas madali silang madedegrade and mas madali silang mag-expire. So there you have it, a little more thorough and quite updated video on expiration date. Sana may natutunan kayong bago at sana makatulong to guide you on how to handle products that are nearly expired or expired na at malaman mo kung magagamit mo pa or hindi. And as usual, guys, if you found this interesting, feel free to please share it dun sa mga kakilala nyo na needing advice on expired products. And of course, pakiusap, hindi. Sana you hit the like and subscribe button and I'll see you again in my next Derm Talk video. Bye!